Bob's Sports Cards Strata 2-box 2013 break. I'll do these Anthony's next time.
Look at all that stuff.
What's in here, Ant?
It was 3.
Oh!
See if you can get a bucket.
Strata.
Orange Victor Cruz. Oh, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, watching this basketball game. Another orange.
James Laurinaitis.
You know what I mean?
No, not,
Okay, just
not yet.
2 oranges right off the top.
Are they numbered?
No, I don't think the orange are numbered for hobby. They're just hobby exclusive. Base. Strata's one of those products where it's like
it's fun. I like the hit. The hit
base,
is nice.
and then the hits are really nice.
The cards look like the
There's
big
an
picture.
auto.
Ooh,
Matt Barkley auto.
nice. That's perfect. Nice.
Base. Boom, 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 boom.
Well, Casualty 466 is in there.
Is he?
Yeah. Somebody.
We're playing a hooky.
Justin Hunter jersey. To what?
150.
150?
150.
Yeah, we already started. BobSportsCards.com. Dolphins 123.
Oh, it's 134.
134.
134.
Oh, jeez.
134th. That's the place they always finish in.
No, it's either 1, 3, or 4. They never come second though.
Base.
Yeah, it's starting at 459.
Well, I think that's Apache. No? Nope. It looked thick, but it wasn't. Another orange.
Or an
Rookie.
orange DJ Hayden. Who had the Raiders? Ooh.
That's
There's the
Whoa.
the hit. Ooh, an acetate.
Marquise Goodwin
nice.
out of 50.
This showed a lot. That wasn't the other one, huh?
Shadow
No,
box.
shadow
Oh, it's
box.
a shadow box. Nice.
Mm.
That is nice. What's that number to, Josh?
That's number to 50.
50.
That is awesome. Auto would be nice.
Wow,
too.
another big thick one.
7 of 50.
That's the auto one.
Auto
Yeah.
right there. Backwards. Whoop.
Stedman Bailey.
Bailey, Rams.
These aren't numbered?
Yeah, the regular ones aren't now. That's the first.
U2BC.
Base, base set.
How many of those do you get?
That's one per box.
One per box.
Oh, one per box.
Because
Nice.
Who is that?
That's Dom.
Is it Dom? Dominic!
Anthony's still here from yesterday. Orange Anquan Bolden. Andrew Luck base.
Base. Another orange.
Justin Blackman orange.
A lot of orange in this box.
Hmm.
That's not the average, right? It's usually about 4.
What else I had this? I don't remember.
Base.
Base.
No, the oranges aren't numbered, Dom.
Hobby exclusive, but unnumbered.
The number to 1999. Thousand.
Die cut.
Die cut. Rex
Rookie.
Burkhead.
For the Bengals.
Louisville owning. Yeah, the tournament's over though, Dom. We're not talking about it anymore.
Got the whole box? Oh, one more.
One pack.
Last
Last
pack.
pack in this box.
Another die cut.
Manti Te'o die cut.
He's the man of the day all day here at the shop with Manti Te'o, huh?
Yeah,
Jeez.
Next box was on the same video.
Box number 2.
Coming up. You hit that refund for my transaction.
Scroll down to my list.
Can I hit the refund on my last transaction?
Cash.
Orange.
Sam Bradford orange. Michael Vick. Base.
Yeah, everyone's showing up.
Let's see those
Bought
boxes.
into it.
Autos wise. What boxes? Eddie Lacy die cut.
There's one auto rookie per box. Sometimes you get an extra hit.
One clear cut auto relic and then 2 other autos, I think, or two other hits.
Auto rookie, and then there's the other rookie, other auto, which could be anything.
Yeah, so
Most of the
on
time
the
it's
side
a
of the
rookie.
box it tells you that yellow.
One clear cut autograph relic per box.
And what's the other side say?
One autograph and one relic card per box.
2 autos and a relic. Oh, basically that relic then was the shadow box last time.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, there's
You don't get that every
relic,
box.
yeah.
Right.
It'd be cool if they put the jersey in the middle of it,
Yeah.
like in Prime Hockey. Everyone loved that box. You get $200, that's your hit for the box.
I got one left over there if you want.
I don't know. It's a nice product. There's orange you missed. Right there.
Jarvis
Jones.
Jarvis.
Thank you, Anthony.
You got it. Jarvis Jones.
Jonathan Franklin orange.
Jarvis is for Pittsburgh.
Mm-hmm.
Got a lot of questions this casual Elite 466.
How many spots did he win? He won all the top jumbo spots, I think.
Wait, there's nothing to announce. I'll stop right now.
Base. We're going base crazy. Strata's got a lot of base. More base.
Wow, it's
Wow.
like a.
Base, well, rookie. Every card goes out. Every card leaves. Shipped.
How about the team that the guy plays for? You should know by now.
There, he's an auto.
Alex, don't call me a Mecca Okafor.
Auto.
Arizona Cardinals, formerly known as the Phoenix Cardinals. Who else did he play for? Texas,
A&M.
Longhorns.
Oh, Longhorns. Oh. Very nice.
If he doesn't play for the Blue Jackets, this guy doesn't know. It's Anthony's break team.
Another auto.
Kenny Stills.
Everybody's
Wow.
Kenny Stills for the
Nice.
Saints.
I just know when it's not.
Okay.
Best auto in the biz right there.
I definitely got
KS.
KS. Knows his
How do I know if
initials.
you're showing all the hits? Because it's all base cards.
Don't worry, we're watching them. Another orange. Frank Gore.
You get everything that comes out of the box. Base. This is Dominic. We shouldn't even tell Dominic to go on this because he just creates problems. It's all base. Here you go.
There's the rookie.
Robert Griffin, Jordan Reed, auto jersey.
For the Redskins.
2 packs left.
Oh, we got a plate. And who is it of?
Steelers?
It's the Patriots.
Patriots?
Patriots, Josh Boyce.
Josh Boyce, New England Patriots. Those are hard to get. I didn't see any come out of the boxes. I saw. It's a 1-1.
See, you knew something had to be in this box. When are you doing the Jumbo and Prime?
Jumbo's next.
Jumbo's next. And a base pack.
And the base.
That's it for that. Sign up.
That's it for Strata 2 box.